Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. All you gotta do is click on it, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. If you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Thank you guys for sending me this unit for review. And here we go. Oh. I think everyone should have one of these in their car. 600A car jump starter power bank by AVAPOW. Boom boom pow. Jump starter power bank. Reverse short circuit protection, LED flashlight, touchlight mode, SOS mode, stable mode. So this is definitely a nice one to get. So in case you have your Teslas, you might want to start carrying around these things, or your trucks, or winter season's coming, so you never know. Might as well start being prepared. Since they are on sale now, if you want to know the price, all you gotta do is click the link. That's it. That's easy peasy. Here we go, guys. Boom, boom, pow. AVAPOW. Ooh, add some weight to it. Ooh. Ooh la la. There we go. Oh, this is nice. Zipper is right in the back. Oh yeah. So you got your jumper cables. Yeah, these are nice. Yeah, these will go in the trunk for sure. It even has a meter on it. That's nice. There we go. So you plug it into that. I'll show you in a second. And cigarette lighter, just in case. Or plug adapter. Got the manual. Boom, boom, boom. And what is this? USB? Yeah. Alright, now let's take a look at the unit. She is a beast. There we go. So that's pretty good size too. AVAPOW. Pow, pow, pow. Okay, let's get down to business, guys. We're almost done. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Much appreciated. Almost done. Wow. This is pretty cool looking. Actually looks like a case. Oh, look at that. AVAPOW. That's really cool. Nice design. Here we go. We got some goodies back here. You got the DC, USB, 2 ports, Type-C, power. We'll show that in a second. This is where you stick your jumper cables. You see, I know what those are called. You stick it right in there. I don't need to stick it nowhere right now. This is the emergency light system. Looks like everything is here. This is nice. Alright, out of the box, not too heavy. It's probably because of the case. But yeah, this is nice. Whoa. Shiny. How do I turn on the light? What up, dude? Where is the light, Dro? Aha. Whoa, that is bright. Let me shut this light off. So if you're stranded, you know, waiting for your service, you can always do that. SOS mode. And super flash. Man, those are super bright though. Look at that. Big old flashlight. It's nice. Really nice, guys. So if you're looking, your parents are looking, you might want to send them this link or the video, either or. Check these guys out. AVAPOW. Definitely nice to get, especially during the winter season, guys. So if you're looking for a gift, be a nice one to get. Right here. All you gotta do is click the link. AVAPOW. Charge. You can jump start your car. Any other scooters or stuff like that. But yeah, comes with the cables. Comes with extra USB to charge. Easy peasy. You guys have a good night. Be safe.